This is Erik with E3. I'm northeast of Nashville in the Mount Juliet, Lebanon area. We designed a system here from top to bottom. A client came to us about 5 years ago and was wondering whether to use full spray foam, and we did the energy modeling and consulting work to highlight the fact that he needed a hybrid solution. So we ended up getting sucked into conducting a full design and build, and we installed all the foam, all the spray cellulose, and again all the mechanical systems from the Lennox variable speed to the variable speed mini splits to the exhaust systems from Panasonic and Ultra Air's dehumidifiers for the whole house and ventilation systems. Unfortunately, the homeowner has not had us maintain the systems, and so what we're dealing with now is a system that still looks pretty good. Again, this is 5 years ago. We still have the little carpet mat here. Unfortunately, the sticky traps are full of insects. Our non-rot door here is still in good working order. But again, I'm going to highlight here quickly the need for maintenance. So back here, we crawl through, some need for some cleaning, and sure enough, the pure air filtration system hasn't been maintained. I've had to pull out a filter here that I don't know how old that is. The UV bulb is burnt out, and we have a kit here. But ultimately, this system and all systems in a home, particularly a high-performance home, need to be maintained because this is expensive equipment, and they need to be cleaned, and filters need to be changed out, dehumidifiers need to be checked. Ventilation systems need to be checked and cleaned in order to maintain the comfort and indoor air quality that one would expect after making a large investment. So I know I'm preaching to the choir, but the need for maintenance is critical.